Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Molly Smiles and I like to do a lot of makeup. Today I was thinking about I had a friend ask me if I could do a pastel look, so I was looking on Pinterest for some ideas and I saw this one. I don't know who it was who did it because it's on Pinterest, but I think I'm gonna try that today. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into like priming my base and the foundation and stuff, and then we'll get to the eyes. For my primer, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. Today my sister, she gave me her Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation. She's a little darker than I am. It's called, her shade is Light Sand. And I figured I'd use that since I'm pretty sure all of y'all think like that I use a very light shade and make myself so white, which is, I mean, I am really white, so, but I'm gonna do it anyways. This is what it looks like, but it's kind of open. I'm gonna see if I can even wear it. I think it's gonna be too orange, but we're gonna see. I'm not entirely sure how it's coming across on your view, but in person, it's definitely a little darker. I'm gonna have to match this for sure. I am very pale, and in between being very pale, I am very, like, I have a lot of red and pink that shines through, so like it's just not fun. As good as that's gonna get. I mean, it did cover, but in person I really just don't like the way it looks. I don't know, I still kind of look pale. But now I'm gonna do my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. It's really messy. I don't know how I messed it up so bad, but I did. Okay, now I'm going to use my Tarte Park Avenue Princess. I feel like y'all already know this. Like, I don't have a whole bunch of different types of makeup right now. Like, I'm trying to get it so I can test out all these different things, but at this moment, so like for my foundation, my concealer, it's generally all the same stuff, except for the foundation today. But I'm trying to build up my makeup collection. Slow process because makeup is expensive, or can be, especially if you want to try out all like the stuff that beauty gurus and people you look up to's makeup that's coming out. It costs a lot, but it's worth it generally if you like makeup, that is. Pretty sure my hair looks crazy. Ooh, the light did something weird there. Okay, so I'm just not a fan of the way this foundation is looking. Like, it looks a little bit different. Let me see if I turn this light down. I don't know. It's just not, it's not my favorite. So now I'm gonna hold off on the blush and I'm going to go ahead and jump into my pastel eye look, which I'm going to be using shades from the Blue Blood palette, from the Bloodlust palette, and possibly from this palette as well. The lady who had posted the picture on Pinterest had called it a unicorn makeup look, so I guess that's what we can call it, but really I'm just going for the pastel colors so I can attempt that. I haven't really worn pastel colors before. It's just not really it's not that I'm not into it, it's that it's something I'm not necessarily comfortable with. I don't do it often, so it's just a new area for me, but that's why I'm here, to continue to learn and hopefully get better at doing makeup. So now I'm gonna go to my eyes department. So the first thing I'm gonna do, it looks like in the crease, she has a little bit of pink. So I'm gonna dip into High King and put that on the outer crease just lightly. I don't want it dark. Can't stress enough, I do not want a dark look per se. So I'm gonna dip it in once and then use my little mirror. So she just, it looks like she just has like a darker pink right here. Dip into it one more time to see if I could darken it a tiny bit, because hers did look a little darker. Now I'm going to dip into Vivid Mood, which is this shade. And I'm going to put it on the outer lid. I don't know what shades this lady used, so I'm just going off of what like it looks like. So now I'm going to go to the Blue Blood palette, and I'm going to dip into the shade Mintea, which is this cream color, and I'm going to put it on this portion of my lid. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the Vivid Mood, just touch it up a little bit. Hers did seem a little sparkly. I don't want to try and replicate that just yet because I'm afraid I'm going to mess it up. So now I'm going to get into the James Charles Morphe palette. I don't think I actually have a shade that matches what this lady did, because she has like a shimmery yellow that goes into the corner and that goes along her lower lash line, and I'm not sure that I have that. I want something that goes with the flow, what I'm doing. So you know what, I'm just gonna improvise, and this could ruin the look, but who knows. I'm going to improvise and use, I'm gonna use very lightly the shade Tune first. This is gonna be a layer thing. Oh, I'm nervous. This could screw it all up. Maybe I'll use Face. I'm gonna use this one instead, this shimmery one, and I'm gonna put it in the corner and on my lower lash line. And hopefully it'll get the desired look. Okay, what I'm gonna do is go back to Tune, the first one I showed you, put it on, and then go over it with Face. Ooh, that works. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over that line with Face, the sparkly shade. It's definitely not the same look that this lady did, but you know, inspired. Okay, so now I'm going to do eyeliner and a lash. I'm going to put the line right here. That way I can know what to trace. Else's eyes do that. Like, my eyelids are super loose and so whenever I have a pin like this, it like wrinkles. That sounds horribly disgusting, I'm sorry. Okay, that works. it always gets bigger and bigger because it wrinkles, and I hate that, but you know, whatever. I have to take that up with God when I meet him. Which it hopefully isn't soon. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lashes. I'm just going to put a layer of mascara on that. But I'm gonna go off camera now and do the other eye, hopefully get it to match. I don't know why my light keeps doing that. I'm gonna hopefully get it to match, and then I will be back. Okay, now that I'm done with that, obviously the eyeliner for some reason never matches. I feel like if I keep messing with it, it's just gonna get worse and not better. Like, whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to do, and I don't think I'm gonna do lashes. I kind of want to give my lashes a break, my lash line and everything. I don't want to put glue on them right now. So now I'm gonna do my blush, which I thought I could do. I'm gonna use the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two, and I'm gonna use Daiquiri. I just want it to be very subtle, very light, pretty. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go to my highlighter. So I'm gonna use this City Color Cosmetics City Chic eyeshadow in the shade Skinny Latte. I'm gonna use it as a highlighter because it looks like that. It's really pretty, really light. And I'm gonna highlight all the spots. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with, for the lip, I have a few things I could do. I just got this, one of my friends gave me, it's called Soap and Glory Spectaculips Matte Metallic, and it's called Gold Dusk. I think I want to try it. If it doesn't come out, then, you know, I can always erase it. Oh, my hair already creased for 2 seconds of being in a ponytail. I almost forgot. I've got to do eyebrows. So let me do that really quick, and then I will use my setting spray, which will be the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and I'm using the Instant Lip Brow Pencil from e.l.f. And that was me attempting a pastel unicorn eye look. I really wanted it to be subtle-ish, like it still looked nice, but be like a more subtle, toned down makeup look. Generally, pastel looks are, at least that's what I've thought of them. Wow, what is my light doing? And so I hope I succeeded. I hope I created a pretty look. I had a very awesome, easy to follow picture to go off of. I really enjoyed this look, and I could actually see myself wearing it again just to go out and everything. I really love the lips. They, in person, okay, I don't actually, I probably wouldn't wear this lip color out in public, but pair with a nice little natural toned lip, and it'll be fine. But I guess since we're mimicking unicorns, you've got to be extra, you've got to be sparkly, you've got to be fabulous. So I hope I accomplished that. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload. And I will see you next time. Okay, I really hated that lip. I don't know, every time I tried to take a picture, it just wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to. So I went ahead and added this NYX Whipped Plush to the top of it just to tone it down and give more of like a pinky tone. So I hope you enjoy that.